In continuing the Namm show coverage, I was able to stop by one of my favorite mic companies when it comes to miking the violin. And as we stopped there, they were able to give us an interview. Let's check it. So we're here at Roya, one of my favorite microphones, a ribbon microphone, classic. I own a 121, but I'm really excited to see what Roya has. Even if they don't have anything new, it's just one of the best microphones for capturing the room with strings. So I'm gonna let Will take it away and tell us about anything Roya might have coming up or just about the company more in general.
Cool, man. So I'm Will. I'm a production team member at Royer. I do production, QCing, repairs, whatever. We do actually have a couple new things. We have our old debooster, but we've got the new debooster that's got 2 inputs, and we also included the TRS jacks, as you can see, so you can use it as a DI box or something like that. Extremely clean line amp, for the lower output on the ribbon mics, like the R10, or if you're using an R121 for rooms and you need some boost. That's one of our newest products. We do have the company that made this stand is making us a stereo bar. I think we just got them in at the shop today, so we don't have any with us on on Namm campus. Okay. But that's another. We're having a stereo bar come out, so you can equally very, very useful. A lot of.
How much does the whole stand run, or do you have a price on that?
This stand by Triad Orbit, we just talked to the guys. I think the stand is $400, okay. But that's. This is, I think, $150 or $200, and this is another $100 for the boom. Cool. Triad Orbit makes killer mic stands. We were just walking over there. They're great people. Right. Like I said, they're making our stereo bar. Yeah, as far as new products, really the debooster 2 is the newest one. I think it came out a couple months ago. Yeah, nothing really too much new in the mic department. We are working on some stuff, but I can't talk about it yet, so got to keep that under wraps. But
what would you suggest for capturing strings and violin, solo violin, compared to orchestras?
Okay, so solo violin, he uses the 121. Fantastic choice. I'm not going to say no to that. Jimmy over here uses the SF2 on viola. He used that a couple weeks ago, or recently on a session. Any of these SF mics are amazing for orchestral. They're all room mics, ambient kind of stuff. Yeah. You don't want to abuse these ones too much. Right. You know what I mean? Like you can put the 121 on a guitar cab, the 122 is the R series. These ones you want to leave back in the room. You don't want to spot mic too much. This one you could spot mic a little bit, but like I said, they're more sensitive. Don't take as much SPL as like the 121 or the R10.
So do any of them take phantom power now, or will that hurt them all still? Because I know you can't do that with
okay, so I'll cue you in on a little secret with the phantom power and ribbon mics. Gotcha. If you have a newer ribbon mic and you turn phantom power on and on a 121, it's not going to kill it. Okay. What happens is it's a patch point. When you move the patch point, that shorts the circuit and that'll blow the ribbon. Or if you have 48 volt going and you unplug it, that shorts it and it blows the ribbon. Oh, wow. So just turning 48 volt on the channel won't necessarily do it. I'm still very cautious, don't get me wrong. I'm still like, don't touch the 48 volt. Right. But I learned working with the ribbon mics that the 48 volt isn't going to destroy it by itself. It's when it shorts it when you unplug a patch point or you unplug the cable itself.
I'll just keep using the cloud lifter.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's like a cloud lifter
It's basically a cloud lifter, but we built it so that it's actually less noise. There's a lower noise floor. It's still got the 12 dB and the 20 dB of gain, but the cloud lifter I find kind of has some hiss or some noise sometimes. It's a great product, don't get me wrong, but we have really put the thought process into making this as clean and as quiet as possible for a boost.
And how much is the single channel one run about?
The single one, let me look at my price list real quick. I'll have to get back to you on that one. I'll get that price for you. But yeah, I know we just came out with the debooster 2. This one's been super popular because the DI capability too. People just put their bass into it, you know what I mean? Go right into the board. Really, really easy, really great product that we just came out with.
Well, I appreciate that, Will.
Yeah, man, of course.
I know when you're a classic, you don't have to get too many new things, but I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Like I said, we're working on some stuff that I can't really talk about right now. So, of course. But yeah, I mean, we're always trying to at least improve the products or do our best to make things as efficient and as as good as possible. So.
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
I appreciate that.
Awesome. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.